Hello guys,
Hi.
my name is Radu and today with my gorgeous wife Miruna, we will react to a new band on our channel. I'll introduce her to a new band. It's called Cult. They're some kind of Chase Atlantic with rock.
Ooh, okay. Nice.
So yeah, after this one you have to check their older material because it's crazy. So their new single is I Hear a Sound.
And this was also really hard to find. It was like on a playlist on their channel.
Releases.
Yeah, it was like not on the most recent,
Yeah.
which is weird, but
Let's hit it.
I hear a sound. Static.
ooh, nice vocals.
Focus. Prayers.
Very Chase Atlantic.
Yeah.
I'm hearing high pitch ringing in my ears. Screaming truths I cannot hear. I feel the echoes feeding on my
It's like
faces, crawling in my
rock-ish auditari.
Yeah.
Kill the drums, it's too loud. Just let me think, fuck, it's too loud. I hear a sound of the start of the end. As the walls start to bend, I feel the sound. My life is sensitive.
Why does the cat only have one wing?
As if it's the end of the world. Just know that phobia is a sickness and God won't ever fix it. The way becomes a syndrome, cause I can't escape from.
I'm digging
Was
this.
so Chase Atlantic.
Yeah, I'm digging this. This is stutter done right.
Yes.
I love the artwork. I just don't get why the dragon cat thingy has only one wing. Maybe I'm just crazy or something, but maybe it's in the back. We can't see it. I don't know.
Please don't make a sound anymore, so noisy.
This is really Chase Atlantic.
Yes.
Even hear you or anyone else around. I'm sorry, but I lie. I'm hearing you, I just don't wanna listen. Make it stop, baby, please just make it stop. And still, I hear a sound. I hear a sound.
Usually they're more rock heavier, a little bit, but this one is chill.
I'm digging this. This
But
is
the
nice.
vocals are insane.
Yeah, I really like the vocals. They're quite underrated.
Yeah,
actually.
they're very underrated. Like
56k? That's quite a small amount for them, and they sound really good. This is more trappy, more. I like this too.
yes.
Sounds good.
it's wrong. I know that it's alright.
I wanted to say when is the Japanese coming in? I like this
They're
video.
too good.
Yes, they do sound really great.
This is so Chase Atlantic when they started Coded.
Yeah.
I think this one is the most streamed songs from them.
Is this Japanese or Chinese? I'm sorry, I don't know. It kind of sounds Japanese-ish, but I could be really wrong. Nice. Yeah, they're from Japan. Yeah, okay, so I wasn't wrong.
Yeah.
Hokkaido.
Yeah, they are sick.
Awesome.
Their new single is chiller than I thought.
I like
but
it.
I like
though.
it a lot. The vocals are crazy.
Yeah.
So yeah, he has to catch up with the other songs from them. So this was our reaction to their new single from Cult. If you want to see more reactions like this, just hit the subscribe button, follow us, and wait for more videos like this. Cheers!